If I had only known the last time would be the last time, I would have put off all the things I had to do. I would have stayed a little longer, held on a little tighter. Now what I'd give for one more day with you. Cause there's a wound here in my heart where something's missing, and they tell me that it's gonna heal with time. But I know you're in a place where all your wounds have been erased, and knowing yours are healed is healing mine. The only scars in heaven, it won't belong to me and you. There'll be no such thing as broken, and all the old will be made new. And the thought that makes me smile now, even as the tears fall down, is that the only scars in heaven are on the hands that hold you now. I know the road you walked was anything but easy. You picked up your share of scars along the way. Oh, but now you're standing in the sun. You fought your fight and your race is run. The pain is all a million miles away. The only scars in heaven, it won't belong to me and you. There'll be no such thing as broken, and all the old will be made new. And the thought that makes me smile now, even as the tears fall down, is that the only scars in heaven.
May hihigit pa ba sa isang katulad mo? Inang mapagmahal na totoo. Lahat ng buti ay naroon sa puso mo. Buhay man ay handang ialay mo. Matitiis ang isang anak. Ika'y dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titig ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ikaw lang sa mundo ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Lahat ibibigay, lahat gagawin mo. Ganyan lagi ikaw sa anak mo. Lahat ng buti niya ang laging hangad mo. Patawad ay lagi sa puso mo. Walang inang matitiis ang isang anak. Dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay
sa Diyos na nabuo hanggang sa ngayon ay narito kayong pamilya ko. Sa hirap at ginhawa man, kayo'y kasama ko. Pagkat kayo ang saysay ng buhay kong ito. Kahit may pagsubok pa at minsan may bagyo, laging pasasalamat ko sa Diyos na nagbuo hanggang sa ngayon ay narito kayong pamilya ko. Kayo na mahal sa buhay, kayong pamilya ko.
See it in your eyes that you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be. As you step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. The stirring in your soul has left you wondering, should you stay or turn around? Well, just remember that your dreams, they are a promise, that you were made to change the world. So don't let fear stop you now, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again.
I built our home with bleeding hands, laid each brick with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But but silence is all I know. You wore your cap, I fixed your tie, watched you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind, but now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touched the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love, it always stayed. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say, Dad, I remember who you are, but wishes don't go that far.
I promise you to be with you for the rest of my life. I wish for you love and happiness, with my heart filled with gladness. I wanna wish you happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
maghintay basta makita ka. Bakit di maawat ang pusong lagi ibigin ka? Alam kong mali itong aking pagsinta. Hindi ko kayang iwan ka, hindi ko kayang iwan ka. Pagkat dito sa puso ko'y talagang mahal kita. At kahit pa sabihin na puso'y napapaliw sa'yo, patuloy na iibigat
Kasakit ganyan. Ganto siya sa akin. Kumapakasyon na tapos sumunod. Ito, hindi ko tinulapakan na ginagawa ng asawa si nanay.
Got your up, and your dreams just fall apart. And sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart.